Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best MIG welders that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Hobart Handler 140. If you are in the market for the best overall MIG welder for your home workshop, then this is a fantastic option. For starters, this model has one of the widest current ranges available on the market today. This makes it very easy to find the right amount of power for whatever project you have in mind. Dialing up this power is also quite easy, thanks to the simple-to-use voltage selector. This straightforward knob will allow you to select from 5 different power settings, which will save you from having to spend time fiddling to find the right voltage for your weld. Another big selling point for this model is that it comes with each and everything that you might need to start welding right away. While many models only come with the most basic parts, this welder has a gas gauge, circuit clamps, and the nozzle to get the job done. It even comes with flux wire if you don't want to have to use any gas to get clean welds. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Forney EasyWeld 140 FCI. If you are someone that needs a welder while you are on the go, or you just like to move about your shop to work at different stations, then this is the welder for you. This model weighs in at a trim 19 pounds, which makes it very easy to pick up and move from place to place. The carrying handle is another nice touch that makes moving this model a simple practice. Something else that makes this such a nice option for use on the go is that it is designed to be used without gas. Instead, this welder is meant to be used exclusively with flux wire, which is provided when you buy the welder. As you would expect from such a lightweight and portable machine, this welder is also quite compact. This easy-to-move design will allow you to store this model when it is not in use in a cabinet or in the back of your vehicle. The compactness of the welder only adds to its portability, which is, obviously, ideal. At number 3, we have the Vivohome Portable MIG 130. One of the biggest issues with lots of MIG welders is that they need to be used with argon gas in order to get good results. While this isn't that bad if they are being used in a workshop, it is less than ideal if you are on the go. It can also be a bit of a pain to continuously refill and purchase more gas all of the time. Thankfully, this model from Vivohome is available to combat this issue. This welder is designed to be completely gas-free and instead relies on flux wire to complete its welds. This helps to make this model a lot more portable, though it is a bit on the heavy side to carry around all of the time. Something else that is really nice about this welder is just how easy it is to adjust it. If you want to adjust the speed of the wire, all you need to do is change the dial to any of the 10 different available speed levels. At number 2, we have the Latos MIG 140. If you are someone that uses your tools a lot and doesn't want to have to worry about your new welder breaking down, then this is probably a good model for you. This welder from Latos is built to last. Everything about it is extremely solid, from its handle, nozzle, and outer casing, right down to the controls and wire feed. No matter how much you intend to utilize your new welder, this model should hold up for a good long time. Not only will this welder last for years and years, but it also comes with just about everything that you need to get started welding right off the bat. The only thing that doesn't come in this package is a gas tank, but everything else is present and accounted for, making it a very convenient purchase to make. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hitbox MIG 250. While most home-based MIG welders are not prepared for larger welding jobs, that isn't always the case. Take this model, for instance. While most home-based MIG welders can only be used on metal that is, at best, 0.7 mm in thickness, this model can be used up to 1 mm. While that might not seem like all that much, it can make a very large difference if you are trying to complete a heavier duty project at home. As you would expect with a model this powerful, this welder has a current range that goes all the way up to 250 amps. This extra power provides the right amount of electricity to quickly and easily weld thicker metals with this machine, Of course, this also means that you need to have a heavier duty 220-volt electrical outlet for it to operate out of properly, so bear that in mind before you make your final decision.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.